It's time for another proposal review. This one comes from Israt. Hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. And it reads, "Hello. When viewing your job details, it really jumped out at me. I have extensive experience in advanced SEO. I have updated a link building strategy and a perfect action plan that will increase your ranking and traffic on Google SRP, and I am ready to start your project right now. I am also working on some other websites that are also on the way to secure position on the top 10 of Google SRPs. If you choose me, you can be assured that you're getting top-notch experience in SEO, as well as who will complete your jobs correctly for the first time. Here's my action plan to rank your website for your targeted keyword, and then you have a Google Docs link. If you want to see my work sample, you can message me and I will send you my recent project right away." So why pick me? Well, I've delivered a 60% increase in website traffic in 3 months, partnered with over 20 plus happy clients, worked on over 50 plus successful link building campaigns, and most importantly, I'm 100% focused on your results. I would like to offer your best services. May I get your website URL so that I can do a quick audit for you to find the reason why your website is not ranking on Google first page? Looking forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Israt Jahan. Again, hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm so sorry if I'm not. My first impression of this proposal is that it's too long. As always, I have to say the client is busy, so don't make them waste their time and keep it short and concise. It's just best. You can always discuss other details later, or they can see it on your profile. And for starters, and I feel like a broken record when I say this, so sorry if you're like sick and tired of hearing me say this, it's missing the client's name. And on this one, since you did include the link to your job post in your submission, I can tell you the client's name is there. I'll show you right here on the screen how I was able to find it. So if you scroll down to the reviews, you'll see it. After that, the first paragraph is just unnecessarily long and confusing. I kind of got winded just reading it, and I kind of lost interest after a while. I'm so sorry. This is tough love. But bottom line is, it could easily be shortened. And I'll show you in a bit how you can do that. I would also be careful about capitalization, as you have both action and audit randomly capitalized, and one time you have Google in all caps. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Now, also, I couldn't open the Google Docs, so I'm not sure. I'm not able to say if it was helpful or not, but you do mention after that you'd like to see their website. So I'm not sure how you were able to make a plan before seeing the website. I would probably leave that for later. And maybe instead of that, you could include a stat or, I don't know, a screenshot. You could attach a screenshot of the results you've gotten for past clients, something like that. Either way, this is how I would rewrite it. I would say, "Hey Robin, I want to help you show up on Google. Having worked with 20 plus happy clients, I've helped increase website traffic by as much as 60% in 3 months. And I'd love the opportunity to do the same for your website as well. If you could send me your URL, I'm happy to do a quick audit to find out why your website is not ranking on Google's first page. Looking forward to hearing from you." But that's short, simple, and to the point. I simply took all that you said, I condensed it, and focused on what matters and just deleted all the fluff. If you also want your proposal to be featured and reviewed in a future video, I'll have the link down below to where you can do that. It's a super simple Google form and you can fill it out and you'll get a free review out of it. So in the meantime, check out this other video that I did reviewing another proposal, and I'll see you right there.